How to fix GeForce Experience Error Code 0x0003. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you out and guide you with the instruction to fix the issue. Well, this is the article that's gonna help you out. So what you wanna do is scroll down and over here you can see it says how to fix error 0x0003. The very first thing you wanna do is to check for your driver's update. These updates can contain fixes or optimization that makes games and other parts of your system function better. A newer version of the driver could fix the issue you're experiencing with the GeForce app. After that, the next thing you can try doing is reboot your Windows. Sometimes, Windows can get stuck and reboot typically fixes any issue regarding to a session. The 0x0003 error code with NVIDIA's software could be caused by your current session, so give your PC a reboot and see if it solves the issue. Well, if it doesn't help you out, then the next thing you can try doing is unblock NVIDIA's telemetry service. For some reason, Windows can block NVIDIA's telemetry service from accessing the internet and other parts of the system. This can cause problems with launching NVIDIA GeForce Experience, but there is a way to force Windows to allow the service to do its thing. So try unblocking NVIDIA's telemetry service and you might be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix GeForce Experience Error Code 0x0003. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.